We're going to practice solving one-step equations using multiplication and division. I'm going to start by looking at my first equation, 3a equals 18. When I have a 3 next to a variable or number, the coefficient, number next to a variable, I know that this means times. So in order to undo the multiplication and get a by itself, I've got to divide by 3. If I divide by 3 on this side, I've got to divide by 3 on this side. 3 divided by 3 is just 1, or a, 1a, or just a, equals 18 divided by 3 is 6. So I have a equals 6. And then I can check my work by rewriting the original equation just as it was, 3a equals 18, and plugging in the answer that I got for a. 3 times 6 equals 18. Remember, when we have a coefficient and a variable, the operation happening is multiplication. 3 times 6 is 18, so I know that my answer was correct. Now here's one with division. We have 4 equals f divided by 3. This line means divide. So to undo divided by 3, because I want to get this variable by itself, I've got to multiply by 3 on both sides. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Now this undoes the division, so I'm left with just f. 4 times 3 is 12. I'm going to rewrite the equation so that I can check my work. 4 equals f divided by 3. If I plug in my answer for f, I should get 4. 4 equals 12 divided by 3. Well, is 12 divided by 3 4? Yes, so I know that my work is correct. Okay, I'm going to do one more. b divided by 4 equals 12. I have division, so in order to undo division, I have to do multiplication. Now would be a good time to stop the video and try this on your own. To undo divided by 4, I'm going to multiply times 4, and we use that dot to represent multiplication. If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other. Now this 4 times 4 cancels out the dividing by 4. So I'm just left with 1b, or I write that as b, equals 12 times 4, or 48. In order to check my work, rewrite the equation, b divided by 4 equals 12, and replace or plug in or substitute my answer for b into this equation. Is 48 divided by 4 12? Yes, so I know my answer is correct. Make sure you're finishing the rest of these practice problems for homework if you did not finish them in class.